Hello, in front of me I have CAT S62 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a fingerprint lock on this device. First, let's open the settings. To do it, swipe upwards on the screen to open the app menu, and then tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select security. Here tap on fingerprint. Now we need to select additional or backup screen lock method. For example, let's select fingerprint plus pattern, but you can select any of these options. If you want, for example, to set up PIN or password instead of pattern, but I'm gonna select pattern. Now let's draw the pattern we want to use. Then tap next and draw it again to confirm and tap confirm. Here select one of the options for notifications and tap done. Now let's tap next. Now we can touch the fingerprint sensor with our finger and keep tapping on it with our finger. Move your finger all around the sensor. Then tap done. Now let's lock the screen and see if the fingerprint is working. And as you can see, it is. And that's how you set up a fingerprint lock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.